We will explore the stages of fasting and its physiological effects on the body. This simple analysis will help us understand how fasting impacts our health. Fasting initiates several physiological adaptations. It begins with the utilization of stored energy, followed by metabolic adjustments, hormonal regulation, impact on muscle tissue, and neuroprotective effects. In the initial stage of fasting, glycogen depletion begins within 12-24 hours. The body starts to convert glycogen into glucose for immediate energy needs, and hormonal changes occur to support this metabolic shift. As fasting progresses, the body undergoes a metabolic shift involving lipolysis and ketogenesis. This process includes the depletion of glycogen reserves, conversion of fatty acids in the liver, preservation of muscle mass, and the use of ketones as an energy source. Fasting affects hormonal regulation by decreasing insulin levels, increasing glucagon, and involving cortisol to manage energy metabolism and stress during fasting. Fasting has several positive effects on cardiovascular health, including reduced blood pressure, decreased heart rate, improved arterial flexibility, and better lipid profiles. Fasting enhances brain function and cognitive health by boosting BDNF production, protecting against neurodegenerative diseases, providing a stable energy source from ketones, and improving mood and mental clarity. Fasting induces autophagy, enhances immune resistance, and reduces inflammatory markers, contributing to better immune function and health. Fasting impacts muscle preservation and loss mechanisms by promoting growth hormone secretion, protein synthesis, and balanced refeeding strategies to prevent muscle loss. Fasting affects kidney function and electrolyte balance by conserving water, maintaining fluid balance, preventing electrolyte imbalances, and highlighting the need for supplementation during prolonged fasting. During fasting, the body adapts by decreasing the metabolic rate initially, stabilizing over time, increasing efficiency, maintaining energy balance, and supporting physiological functions. Fasting can improve mood, reduce stress levels, enhance mindfulness, and build emotional resilience, contributing to better mental health. Research shows that fasting promotes cellular repair, reduces oxidative stress, and has potential anti-aging effects, with benefits observed in animal models. While fasting has many benefits, it also carries potential risks such as nutrient deficiencies, hypoglycemia, dehydration, and the need for medical consultation before starting a fasting regimen. Fasting impacts gut health by allowing digestive rest, improving nutrient absorption efficiency, balancing gut microbiota, and reducing inflammation.